Viewer discretion advised.
Good morning, Sterling. Happy holidays.
Do my eyes deceive me?
Murphy, I can explain. There's no need to, Sterling. You know dang well that you're not supposed to open up your Christmas gifts too soon. I mean, haven't you ever heard of spoilers that much? It's been plaguing social media nonstop.
I'm sorry, Murphy. I didn't think you would notice.
Sorry, Sterling, but I think it's high time we have a talk with the boss about spoilers. Pretty soon you might learn something one day.
No, wait, Murphy. I'll do anything for you. But please, don't tell the boss on me. Have mercy.
Nope, it's too late for that now. Looks like the cat's out of the bag for you.
Then what am I supposed to do, Murphy? I was almost done helping the workmen set up the decorations. Huh?
So wait, let me get this straight. You were helping the workmen set up the decorations.
Well, yeah, I mean, what else would I be doing at the time of this holiday season?
Oh, I see what you're going with. And all this time I thought you were wishing the passengers away so that nobody would ever notice you opening up the gifts. Well, carry on then, Sterling. As for me, well, somewhere on the other side of the coast, there's freight trucks that need shunting. Hey, Sterling! Merry Christmas!
Holy crap, Sterling! What are you doing? Oh, you know, just sneaking a peek at the Christmas gifts early.
Wait a minute, I thought you were supposed to be helping the workmen decorate for this year.